Hello everyone, if you wanted to know how you can download and play Jetpack Joyride on your computer, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can download and play Jetpack Joyride on your computer. So first off, you're going to open up your web browser and then you're going to search for Google Play Games. You're going to click onto this first link from play.google.com. You're going to go ahead and download the software up. And once you're done with the downloading and installation of the software, then you're going to open Google Play Games up. It will ask you to log in with your Google account first. So just go ahead and log in with your account. And after that, you want to come here and then you're going to search for Jetpack Joyride. Here it is. Just go ahead and download this game up. Click install on here and then it will start downloading on your computer. The speed of the download depends on how fast your internet is. So just wait for it to complete its thing. And once it's done downloading, you can go ahead and play the game on your computer. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.